Students, today we will start the exercise 5.2, and in this exercise 5.2 the formula which yesterday we have done for nth term, that is seen. What was that? An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, where a is the first term, d is the common difference, and an is the nth term. Clear? Look at question number 1. In question number 1 there are 5 parts, and in each part a, d, n and an. A, d, n and an. Out of these 4, any one is missing. It may be a, it may be d, it may be n, it may be an. Any one term is missing. So let's do that. I am doing its, suppose I am doing its third part. A is dash, you have to find. D is minus 3. N is 18. And an is minus 5. An is minus 5. This is 18. D is minus 3. And a you have to find. Clear? Clear? So again we will use the same formula. An is what? Minus 5. First I am writing formula. A plus n minus 1 into d. In place of an, what we will put? Minus 5. A, we don't know. Let it be a only. N is what? 18 minus 1, and d is what? Minus 3. So minus 5 is equal to a plus 18 minus 1 is 17 into minus 3. Clear? Minus 5 a, this is into means multiplied. 17 and minus 3 they are multiplied. 17 into minus 3 is minus 51. So this minus 51 will come to this side, and when it comes to this side it will become positive. 51 minus 5 is equal to a. 46 is equal to a. So a is 46. Clear? Any doubt? Similarly, we can do any other part also. I am doing its fourth part. It's in fourth part. A is minus 18.9. D is 25, right? And an is 36. I think it is 3.6. It is 3.6. It is 2.5, I think. And you have to find n. You have to find n. Same formula you will use. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is what? Plus 3.6. A is what? Minus 18.9 plus n minus 1, and d is 2.5. This will come to this side. What you will get? 3.6 plus 18.9 is equal to n minus 1 into 2.5. This come out to be 22.5 is equal to n minus 1 into 2.5. This is multiplier. This multiplier will come down. It come out to be 22.5 upon 2.5 is equal to n minus 1. When you cut it, you get 9. So n minus 1 is equal to 9, n is equal to 9 plus 1, it come out to be 10. Is it clear? Look at this question once again. A given, D given, An given. You have to find n. Use the formula An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. An is 3.6, A is minus 18.9 plus n minus 1, D is 2.5. This is a negative. When this come to this side, it become positive, right? Is equal to n minus 1 into 2.5. Add these two. What we will be getting? 22.5 is equal to n minus 1 into 2.5. This 2.5 is a multiplier of n minus 1. It will come down. 22.5 divided by 2.5. You know 25 9 the 225, right? So when you divide 22.5 by 2.5, it come out to be 9. N minus 1 is equal to 9. N is equal to 9 plus 1. That is 10. I hope it is clear to you. Now come to question number 2. Question number 2 is also same. Question number 3 is also same. But even then I am doing it for your convenience. In question number 2, you have to choose choose the correct choice, right? And then you have to justify also. Listen, very easy it is. I am doing its second part. Second part of this question is 11th term of the AP minus 3 minus 1.2 2 is, options are given. 4 options. You have to tell whether it is 28, 22, minus 38, or it is minus 48 1 by 2. You have to choose the correct answer. So naturally you have to find the answer of this. What is the 11th term of this AP? This is AP, it is given. Clear? This is AP, it is given. You have to find the 11th term. That's it. So how will you do? If this is AP, so first term A is what? Minus 3. Clear? Now you have to find D. I tell you one thing, in the whole exercise, in the whole chapter, 2 things in all AP you must know, A and D. These 2 things are very necessary ingredient for going for any questions. Okay. So A is minus 3. Now D. What is D? D is A2 minus A1. A2 is minus 1 by 2 minus A1 is what? Minus 3. A2 minus A1. Clear? So it is minus 1 by 2 minus minus plus 3 upon 1. LCM is 2. Minus 1 plus 2 divided by 1, 2. 2 3 the 6. It come out to be 5 by 2. Clear? Very simple. Now you have to find 11th term, means A11. What is A11? According to the formula, you know An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So A11 will be A plus 11 minus 1 into D. A11 will be A plus 10 D. So you can use this formula also, or you can write the direct also, because A11 is, I told you yesterday also, कि 1 less, so A plus 10 D. है ना? Similarly A7 will be A plus 60. A12 will be A plus 11 D. 1 less. Here with D 1 number less. So it is A plus 10 D. A is what beta? Minus 3 plus 10, and D is what? 5 by 2. 2 1 the 2, 5 the, minus 3 plus 5 5 the 25. Minus 3 plus 25, it is 22. So just check 22 is in which option? It is in second option. So your correct answer is second. Clear? I think this is also very simple, है ना? Now come to the third question. In the third question, beta, here you have how many parts? 5 parts. And out of these 5, in all these 5 parts, some terms are given and you have to find the remaining terms. Suppose 6 terms are given, so you 2 terms, 6 terms are there, 2 terms you are given, other 4 terms you have to find. I am doing its last part. Clear? It's question number 3. I am doing its 5th part. It is dash 38 dash 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 22. It is minus 22. Here it is box, box, box and box. Here you have to find the number, here you have to find the number, here you have to find the number, here you have to find the number. 2 terms are given. Which terms are given? Second term is given and the 5th term is given. Look, very easy. You know this is A1, this is A2, this is A3, this is A4, this is A5 and this is A6. A2 is 38, A6 is minus 22. You have to find A1 also. You have to find A3 also. You have to find A4 also. And you have to find A5 also. This all you have to find. Clear? Very easy question it is this also. What is A2? A2 you know it is A plus 1D and this is given to you 38. Am I right? A2 is A plus 1. This is true, so it come out to be 1. D is equal to 38. Similarly, A6 is equal to A plus 5D. It is minus 22. Now children, you have to find A and D. I told you in every question A and D are the basic ingredient for every question, for every solution. The first thing you will have to find will be A and D, right, in all the questions. So let's find A and D. And if you see carefully, these are linear equations. One variable, second variable, one variable, second variable. So these are the linear equations in 2 variables. You have done in chapter 3 now. Let's solve that. How will you do it? You have to, what you will do? Subtract. When you will subtract, you change the sign. Let's solve this. I am leaving this part. Just concentrate on this part. You do subtraction, we change the sign. This is plus sign, it become minus. This is plus, become minus. This is minus, it become plus. This will cut. Plus 1 minus 5, it is minus 4D. Right? Plus 38 plus 22, it is 60. So D will be 60 upon minus 4, it will come out to be minus 15. Clear? Now, you have to find A. For finding A, you will put the value of D here in any of these equations. A plus 1D is equal to 38. A plus in 1D, you will write minus 15 is equal to 38. A will be, this is plus minus is equal to 38. A will be 38 plus 15, it will be 53. Clear? Now it is very simple to find all these terms. We have to find A1. I am doing here beta. we have to find A1. A1 is A only. A is 53. Then you have to find A3. A3 is what? A plus 2D. A is 53 plus 2 into minus 15. It is 53 minus 30. It is 23. So this has come out to be 53. This has come out to be 23. Now let's find A4. A4 is what? A plus 3D. A is 53 plus 3 into minus 15. 53 minus 45. It come out to be 8. 8 na? It come out to be 8. So A4 is 8. Now you have to find A5. How will you find A5? A5 will be A plus 4D. A is what? 53 plus 4 into D is what? Minus 15. 53 minus 60. It come out to be minus 7. So you have got all the terms. A1 also, A3 also, A5 also, A4 also, A3, A4, A5, all you have to find. Okay? I am just repeating this question once again. A2 given, it is A plus 1D, right? A6 given, it is A plus 5D is equal to minus 22. Now just solve these two linear equations. When you solve these two equations, you will find the value of two variables, A and D. Subtract minus, this is plus, become minus, this is minus, it become plus. It will cut. Plus 1 minus 5, it come out to be minus 4D is equal to 60. D come out to be minus 15. Putting the value of this D here, you will get the value of A. A plus 1D is equal to 38. A plus D is minus 15 is equal to 38. A come out to be 53. You have got A, you have got D. You can find all the terms. A1 is A, that is 53. A3 is A plus 2D. You can solve and you get this 23. A4, A plus 3D. Putting the value of A, putting the value of D, you get A4. Okay. Similarly, A5, A plus 4D. A is 53 plus 4. D is minus 15. 53 minus 16 come out to be minus 7. So children, today you will do all the parts of question 1 also, question 2 also and question 3 also, and you will complete till question 3. Clear? Clear everybody?